what's going on? Muriel from the Sunshine Family, live in Costa Rica. I made a video with the start of my life in Costa Rica up to more or less now. You can see the transition from being a Dutch mom living in the Netherlands, working online, married with Dirk, who used to be a restaurant owner, and we both moved to Costa Rica with the two grown-up kids who were 7 the cool thing is that we already can look back on almost 4 years of making memories. And if you wonder, life in Costa Rica, how can it look like? I want to see some impressions. Here's mine. I hope you enjoy. So this is where it started, our orientation vacation in Costa Rica. Where we were discovering to live and plant our flags. Look how young our kids were. This is our Nick, this is Montezuma, and we fell in love at the peninsula, this part. Waterfalls, cabuya, dogs, horses, truck, surfing the ocean, friends, wildlife. Dirk's mom, and she, joined our adventure. We bought a piece of property and are enjoying ourselves. And our kids grow up here. And it's never cold, and there's dark beaches, beautiful sky, beautiful nature, and dresses. Fresh fish, pelicans. Really making memories together. Lots of horses, pools. Get online from any location. I feel so happy at the beach like this. Some places where we have stayed. A lot of dogs that we met, and drove quads and visited homes to see what type of house we wanted ourselves. And what can I say? This is really my dream life. Having the space, nature, time to enjoy the things that really matter to me, and just feel super alive. So much fun in Costa Rica. Then we went back to the Netherlands, as you can see, biking through the streets, Scheveningen, the beachside at The Hague, the park, and then a year later, bye-bye party for our friends, and there we left Amsterdam airport with 2 suitcases and each a little backpack, arriving Costa Rica, settling in, biking here, school, making new friends, and sports, work online, conversations at the beach. Dirk's mom. She's visiting us several months per year. Festivals, National Day, our daughter. Some work online in between. Equestrian of her daughter. This is her first pet rescue, Lucky. A year old, hit by a car, broken toe. No one claimed him. And he's still with us. Amazing dog. His first bath. He was quite young. Oh, some beautiful nature. This is her second rental. Dear friend, his black dog Chicho, a Range Rover, and again lots of hikes over the beach. And we often walk with Chicho and Lucky, two black dogs, fixing the Range Rover, lifting it up. A house with a pool. Jumping in the waterfalls.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break.
Oh, we were exploring Costa Rica there.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Super cool. Yeah, definitely lots of fun.
I wanna be someone. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Joey, this was during lockdown. Our boys working online, building the house for Dirk's mom. Visiting friends, fishing. We have friends who goes fish tours. Pet rescue, Sophie, working online. Lots of big walks with the dogs, and this is the river behind our home. Fires, playing in the water. Joey liked him. Oh, and some Muay Thai. Ollie the cat. Birthdays. Titles. Malpais. Okay. Unfortunately, Nick broke his leg, but all is well again. Stylist. My hair. Birthdays. Memories. Lots of freedom. Making friends. Muay Thai. Lots of vipas and some work online. Coaching students. Friends. Yeah, I hope to inspire you with my video about life in Costa Rica. Not sure what your definition of freedom is and an amazing life here, but I'm looking forward to seeing you make your dreams happen. And if you want to know what I teach online to help people build a laptop business, check out the info around my video. You know, click on the links, follow my own courses, recommended affiliate programs, and of course I do take one-on-one students and able to answer your Costa Rica questions. Message me on Facebook. And in any case, I'm so thrilled that you are watching my videos. And as the video continues, this is our Joey puppy. He's a little bit hustled in time. So this is how small he was when we got him. And I had friends visiting Jacqueline and her daughter. Yeah, keep watching. Thanks for watching my video.